Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. It's that time of year. It's the AliExpress Summer Sale. As you can see, it starts in 8 hours. AliExpress, the official partner of the UEFA Euro 2024. If you're watching the football, I'll be watching the football later because England play. But you've got 8 hours to get your watches into your basket so you can get those better prices and then you can get buy-in. So I thought we'd take a look at some watches to get. We've got the usual suspects, the Paganis, etc., but a couple of other different choices as well. And something that I've got on order that I've paid more for, typically. I should have waited, always the way. And something I've actually got here, which brings us on to our first watch. So let's take a look. Okay, so the first one is the ADDIESDIVE. This one, the GMT 39mm. I've actually got this, it arrived this week. It's in a little box just here. I'm going to do the unboxing on that soon. So with a bit of luck, you'll see the little link up here to the unboxing. And I paid more than this is going to drop to. It's going to drop to £32. I paid more this sort of price typically. But let's take a look at what we get. Now, it is a quartz watch from ADDIESDIVE. I've done ADDIESDIVE before, never been let down by them, to be fair. Obviously, you can see where it's taken its cues from, its design cues, shall we say. It's a deep sea hunter. We'll go and say that carefully. You can see it's sort of what, just over 48mm lug to lug. It's 39. It's actually quite small for me with my 8-inch wrist. The reason I ordered this is A, I like the style of the watch anyway. B, also was the reviews. We got 121 reviews, sat at 4.9 as well. Now, as I say, I'm going to do the unboxing on this. You get the usual ADDIESDIVE packaging, which is great. As I say, I've got that little box just here to unpack soon. So I'll be doing the unboxing for that. But the reason I put this one in is as simple as this. I paid more this price than that price. So it's a good saving. What looks like a really good watch. As I say, ADDIESDIVE never let me down. I don't know what's got the model number. Oh, it's the AD2306. And if you want to see the unboxing to that, hopefully that'll appear in the corner very soon. Right, next up, we had to go with a Pagani, didn't we? And this is one that you don't see mentioned very often. What's the model number? The PD1708. Again, it's a quartz. It's the VK64 quartz movement, 38mm. Might be a little small for my wrist. I've got an 8-inch wrist, so I think this might suit most people anyway. A little bit different with the Milanese band. 38mm, as I say. It is synthetic glass, not sapphire, but what can you expect? It's dropping from 35 to 28. They do two colours in this. We do a white and a yellow. Oh, it looks like the white may have already gone out of stock on this one. But I just think that's really nice if you're after that sort of vintage style. A little bit different, not a watch from Pagani that you see talked about an awful lot. Just looking at the reviews here, but it's a bit of an eye catcher. Really nice. I take it we've got it's 12, 24, and I'm guessing this is a credit with the seconds hand on there on the other sub dial. But yeah, really well finished. Lots of great feedback on it. And a great price, only £26. So what's that, $30, isn't it? So I just thought that was a really good one. Not an expensive watch at all. Plenty sold, plenty of reviews at 4.9. Okay, bit of a different brand for us for the channel this time. WATCHDIVES. Not one I've seen before. Part of Steel Dive, part of ADDIESDIVE. I'm not sure. I'm assuming so. But yeah, I've not really seen this before. You can see what they've gone after here with the 50 fathoms look. Now, the reason I went with this one is actually two slightly different versions with this. We've got this one, which I believe is stainless steel with mineral glass, which is the K1 glass. And then they do one with a titanium and sapphire version as well. So that drops from 93 down to 84. And the steel with the mineral drops down from 77 to 69. Obviously great looking watches. C3 lume. It is mechanical. Don't know if it says what movement it is. Let's have a quick look. It says sapphire there, but just bear in mind that is on only one of them. Yeah, WATCHDIVES doesn't tell us what the movement is. Looking at it, normally I've got a little card on here, but it doesn't actually show. Let's see if it's got anything on here. Model K1 is mineral, and then you've got the FS, which is the sapphire. Oh, it's the NH35. There you go. 41 hours of power reserve. Comes really nice on the was it NATO? it might be a NATO. Oh no, it might be a National actually. Yeah, so that's a really good looking watch. Two different versions. If you get one, let me know which one you think is the best one. I'm assuming you're going to go with the titanium and sapphire because that's probably the better deal. 48mm lug to lug. What's the diameter of the case? Actually, 40mm. There we go. So that'll be a good size on my 8-inch wrist. Let's have a look. It certainly looks very nice. You can see obviously what they're trying to do and go with that. WATCHDIVES. Yeah, really nice. I just picked that one because there was two options, and I just thought that you could go with whichever you preferred. Okay, something a little different as well. Here we've got a mod kit for the CASIO GA2100 or the GA2100, whichever you've got. I've got one of these which I'm about to review. I bought it ages ago and still not reviewed it, but I've actually got a mod kit on the way. Now, it wasn't this one. I might have gone for this one had I seen it. I've actually gone for the Royal Oak version, whereas this is the, oh God, Nautilus. That's better. Yeah, the Nautilus, which is a little different. You see plenty of CASIO versions, not so many Nautilus. And I just thought this was really nice and a great price, 32 down to 27. I'll tell you what, I paid more than that for my CASIO one. And as you can see, you can mod it to look like that. Different colours. Oh, right, so we've got black. We've got leather. Black with no screws. I'm sure you're going to want the screws. Black with screws. Trust me, I'd get the screws. Silver with screws. Silver no screws unless you've got the right screws. And then an all leather black case. So great price. A little bit different because it looks like the Nautilus rather than the Royal Oak, not the CASIO. So just thought I'd throw that one in. Great price. I'll obviously leave links to all these in the description. Okay, back to a Pagani. Of course, you can never go wrong with a Pagani and the PD1766. Now, I've actually already got this watch. I think I've done the unboxing for it, and I'm just in the middle of doing the review for it. It's a really great watch. Now, it looks like a Speedy 57, I think it is, isn't it? In a couple of different designs, the blue and the black are the most popular. I've got the blue one. That's the black, that's the blue, and that's a green. They also do them on a leather strap, which is only slightly cheaper. Oh, that green one's out of stock anyway. Oh, so it says sale coming soon if you look at the price. But £30, honestly, for this, obviously it's a quartz movement, is a fantastic buy for a great watch. It really is a good looking watch. I'd happily pay that. I paid more than that. If they're going to knock a little bit more off in the upcoming sale, I'd definitely bag one of these. I'm actually tempted to get the black version. I love my blue one, but I do think the black would be nice as well with the different indices on there. So I think this is a bargain, regardless of whatever price you're going to pay from it. From that price, it's the VK64. Can't remember the size of it, though. Let's have a look. Lots of great reviews. That's a quick poke of the specs. Here we go. PD1766. So 40mm. Sapphire crystal, it's worth it alone just for that. This is absolutely worth a blind buy. Put one of these in your basket, even at this price, and make sure you bag a bargain while you can. Okay, next one up, Corgeut NH34 movement. The reason I went for this one, it's not so much of a saving on this one, it's going down from 64 down to 60. Actually, I just really like this rose gold, well, rose black as they call it. I just thought it was really nice. Now, it says 200 meters of water resistance there, but actually, if you look at the specs, I think it actually says 50, so just be wary of that. That's the only thing with that. They do it in two colours, this rose black and a blue and red. 39mm, I think, is the 39mm case diameter. Ooh, sapphire crystal, does it say sapphire crystal there somewhere? Synthetic sapphire, so they're being a bit naughty up here with sapphire glass. It's not, but really nice looking watch. Obviously you can see where they're getting their design cues from on that, but the reason I went with that one was basically just that colour. You don't often see that colour, so I just thought it'd be a little bit different. Again, I'll put links into the description. Next up, we're back to a WATCHDIVES. We've not seen it before, but we've got two in this one, and this is the WD1960S. WD1960S. Yes, I was right. And that is a really nice sunray blue effect. Now, I did notice on here, they do two different types. Now, these were dropped out of stock just literally as I started to film this. They were there only moments ago. So I'm hoping that they'll be back by the time you get to watch this. They do an applied indices in the blue and the white, and they do a printed indices in the blue. Oh, and yellow. Oh, there you go. I thought it was blue and white. Blue and, oh, sorry, white and yellow. I'll get it the right way around. That's got with C3. And this looks like it's BGW9. Just really nice. 39 mil? 36 mil, sorry. So probably too small for me. But a good saving on these, down from 57 to 48. So I'll put it in. Only a few reviews on this particular one. I'd not seen this before. I don't know if it's just because there's a brand I've not come across, or this shop has only just started selling these. But I did think it was really nice. But it does look like maybe limited on stock, so you might want to get this into your basket while you get a chance, to be quite honest. And I thought we'd finish off with a Pagani Design, because again, they're always a safe bet. Now, this one is a little different. Now, this hasn't actually got a price that it's going to drop to, which I've started to notice a little bit more on some of the stores. They don't seem to want to be doing that. Now, whether they're going to send you a voucher or not, I don't know. Might be worth following this store, if in doubt, or at least drop it into your basket and see what happens if you're watching this before it launches. If it's launched, the link that I've put in the description will obviously show what it's going to drop to. I saw this one, I just thought it was a bit different. If it's a homage to some one, I'm not sure. I'd not one I'd seen before. I'm guessing possibly a Rolex. So we've got an NH34, which means it's GMT. We've got black, green, or sky blue, and dark blue. I like the sky blue, and I must admit I like the black one as well. NH34, Pagani Design. What are we? 40 mil diameter, sapphire crystal, the PD1788. I've not seen this one mentioned before, so it's a case of, I thought I'd throw it in as something a little bit different that you might be looking at. Looks like it's got a nice sort of effect on the dial there. Obviously, we've got all the different time zones around here for your GMT, etc. So, yeah, I just thought this was a little different. But on this one, it might be worth just putting it in your basket and make sure that you check that price before you check out on it. But it is a really nice looking watch, and again, if it's from Pagani, it's not going to let you down. Now, that's all the watches for this time. Thanks to everybody who's liked, subscribed. Please do so if you haven't already subscribed, because I've got lots of videos coming out. I've been a bit quiet on the channel recently, but I've been dealing with some stuff, so that's all sorted now. So I've got a lot of videos lined up to drop out over the next few weeks. Thanks to everyone, and see you on the next one. Bye.